This 60-second sprint unlocks legendary NFL moves, blistering bursts, and the fearless hustle driving the league tonight. Fans roar as wild moments collide with funny gaffes and bone-rattling tackles redefining grit. Bold stats flash in dramatic slow motion, spotlighting clutch quarterbacks, circus catches, and ironclad defenders on drives. Dynamic cuts, zooms, and kinetic text ride a pulsating soundtrack, while close-ups reveal the hunger behind play. The finale leaves viewers buzzing for the next game and the sport's non-stop energy.